Hi there, I'm Michelle the Painter. Today you're going to be watching a time-lapse version of my painting, Duck Reflection. This painting I did today is inspired by one of my Patreon members' photos by the name of Missy Tammy. I have a benefit for my Patreon members whereby every now and again I put out a call for photos. They submit them, I take some of them and turn them into YouTube tutorials. So as a thank you, I will send the original painting off to her. So if you're interested in learning how you too could submit your photos or more about the Patreon program, because there's a lot of additional benefits that you can use to help increase your artistic and your painting skills, or if you'd like to watch the full-length version of this video, because it is available to you, I have all of that information down below in the video description. So I hope you enjoy. And that is going to conclude this painting. I hope you enjoyed the process. I hope you painted yourself a beautiful nature animal, and I look forward to painting and sipping with you again sometime.